Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to Design Furniture. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to hang your beautiful linen curtains with drapery hooks. This traditional method not only adds a touch of sophistication to your windows, but also ensures a neat and tailored finish. Drapery hooks. Let's start with the essentials: drapery hooks. These small but mighty hooks play a crucial role in securely holding your curtains in place while allowing them to hang gracefully. Begin by gathering your linen curtains, a curtain rod, and a set of drapery hooks. You'll want to ensure that your curtains are properly measured and hemmed to the desired length before hanging them. How to attach drapery hooks to the curtain. Take your first curtain panel and lay it flat on a clean surface with the backside facing up. Starting from the top corner, insert the pointed end of the drapery hook into the fabric, ensuring it goes through both layers of the curtain. Inserting the drapery hook into the curtain fabric. Continue attaching drapery hooks evenly along the top edge of the curtain, spacing them out according to the instructions provided with your curtain rod. Hanging the curtains on the curtain rod. Once all the drapery hooks are attached, it's time to hang your curtains on the curtain rod. Simply slide each hook onto the rod, making sure they're evenly distributed for a balanced look. Adjusting the curtains. Finally, step back and admire your handiwork. Take a moment to adjust the curtains to your desired position, ensuring they hang smoothly and evenly. Fully hung linen curtains with drapery hooks. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant way to hang your linen curtains using drapery hooks. This classic method not only adds charm and sophistication to your windows, but also ensures your curtains hang beautifully for years to come. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interior design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!